Looks like we made it back to Vancouver. A little hazy. Okay, got another approach here, huh? You want to test your reverse real quick? Looks like it's good. That's good. Another boat coming out there. It is wavy. Maybe, yeah. Keep in mind how quickly this thing gets going, right? Hmm?
I said I'm doing.
Okay. The stabilizers don't do very well when we're hardly moving, right? When we're just idling along. Okay, pay attention to what you're doing. Now I'd go through on the left side to give your stern room to swing around that ship, right? Remember to be gentle with those. Start swinging early. You don't want your stern close to that ship, right? You can start swinging. Good job. Yep. We got to put the antennas down first. Why don't you get us in there and stop us?
So just get us lined up and stopped, and
Yes.
then we'll do the antennas.
Exactly right. You'll hold us in position. Okay, start putting on the brakes, because we don't want to be carrying a lot of speed when we're pointing at other boats, right? You can imagine what would happen if we lost control of our reverse, right? Okay, why don't you just hold us here? That's a super good job, and the boathouse door's going up.
Yeah, okay.
Excellent work, bud. Congratulations. Good approach. Nice job. What do you think?
Yeah, it's okay.